Maximizing privacy on WhatsApp video calls.
Hello viewers, in this video, we're going to address an important question that many of you have been asking. Is there an option to only show my voice during a WhatsApp video call? We understand that at times you may need to communicate without showing your face, and we're here to guide you on how you can achieve this.
Does WhatsApp allow voice-only video calls?
So, the first thing to understand is that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, WhatsApp doesn't officially have an option to make video calls with voice only. A standard video call will always transmit both video and audio from the caller to the receiver.
How can I make voice-only calls on WhatsApp?
While there's no direct option for voice-only video calls, you can still achieve this in a workaround. WhatsApp offers voice calls as a distinct feature from video calls. When you initiate a voice call, only your voice is transmitted, and your video feed is not shared. This could serve as a practical solution if you want to have a call without sharing your video.
What if I need to switch between voice and video during a call?
If during a voice call, you decide you want to share your video, you can switch from a voice call to a video call by tapping the video call button. Please note that the receiver has to accept the video call request. Similarly, during a video call, you can disable your camera to make it a voice-only call.
What about privacy during video calls?
For those concerned about privacy during video calls, another workaround is to disable your camera during the video call. While on the call, tap the camera off icon, and your video feed will stop. The person on the other end of the call will no longer see you, but you'll still be able to talk and listen. While there's no direct way to start a voice-only video call on WhatsApp, the options of switching to a voice call, switching off your camera, or starting a voice call instead can provide the privacy you need. We hope this video has been helpful and has answered your question effectively. Stay safe and communicate wisely.